Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate PDF pages in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Then click File and choose Open. Select the PDF file that you want to rotate and click Open. After the PDF file opens, go to the View tab at the top of the window. In the View toolbar, you will find the Rotate Left and Rotate Right options. Click Rotate Right to rotate the page 90 degrees clockwise. Click Rotate Left to rotate the page 90 degrees counterclockwise. You can click the Rotate option multiple times until the page is in the correct orientation. If your version of Foxit PDF Reader allows saving the page rotation, save the document by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard, or click File and then Save. Keep in mind that some versions of Foxit PDF Reader only rotate the page for viewing purposes. In that case, the rotation may not be permanently saved. That's it. You have successfully rotated PDF pages in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.